Hey guys, it's Carolyn Marie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am pretty excited because I found a new eyebrow product that I absolutely love. And for me, I've just been struggling with my eyebrows lately because I've been trying to grow them out. And this product is so good. And I think I'm a little late to the party on it, but it really is amazing. And I'm excited to tell you guys about it because if you don't know about it, it's gonna change your life. And it's changed mine because I've been so much looking for that feathery eyebrow, that new in trend. I've been trying to find a way to replicate that and recreate it, and nothing works. Like literally nothing works except for this. Oh, before we hop into this, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because I want you guys to see my next video. And it is, drum roll please, the Glossier Boy Brow. And I just have it in this. I have already used this and I've taken it out, but I saved the packaging just for you guys so you could just see how stinking cute it is. It's literally in this like little Ziploc foam bag and it's so cute and it's pink and I love the little sticker on the front, and then it's tiny, but it does tiny but mighty. It comes in this little package. It doesn't really say too much. It says Boy Brow Grooming Pomade. So I got it in brown. I believe you can also get it in clear. And it's just in a little tube like this, and it says Glossier on it. It's nothing super fancy looking, but boy oh boy, does it pack a punch. So you take it out and it's literally the tiniest little brush. So at first I was like, what in the world? It's the tiniest little brush, and I was like, that's weird. I've never seen a brow product with such a little brush. And I've been using this every day, so I'm gonna actually pull you guys in close and show you what my eyebrows look like right now, because this has been on all day and they haven't moved. And yes, I purposely brushed them up. So I'm gonna actually come in so you can see. Now I have obviously like patchiness going on there, but this eyebrow is a little better here. But I have purposely brushed them up and I'm still growing them out a bit. So the patchiness is on me. Now, take note that I'm still working on growing out my eyebrows, and I think I'm gonna try Latisse for that because there's just like a few spots that are still patchy, and I use a pencil first to fill it in, but the pencil's honestly probably worn off at this point. But I just wanna like quickly show you how I do this and how quick it is. And I'm gonna show you how I do my brows, and I'm gonna kind of redo them. So I'm gonna show you how I do my brows like every day now, since it's changed up a bit. And this is just the Kat Von D Signature Brow. And I actually really like this, but it's just kind of like your typical eyebrow pencil, so it's nothing special. But I'm gonna show you what I do. So on the bottom here, it's like a bit patchy from where I'm growing it out. So I'll take this, and this is pretty much done. So, and I'll just fill in with the pencil first. And it's super easy. I don't even have to be super precise with it. And yeah, that's filling in that blank spot that you guys probably just saw a close of, which I would consider that like a wear test for the Boy Brow. And actually for Kat Von D, which, girl, didn't do such a good job there. But the color is really nice. It's like a taupe of this brow pencil. So, which I always find kind of difficult to find because it's always like super, super dark. And I kind of like it to blend in with my eyebrow color. I don't necessarily like to darken my eyebrows, you know what I mean? Not that my eyebrows are light by any stretch of the imagination, but I just don't like when they're super duper dark. I want them to look natural. And yeah, and that's pretty much about all I do there. And then what I do is I go into the Glossier Boy Brow, and I actually wipe it off first a little bit because sometimes you can get a lot of product on it. But even if you do, it's not that difficult. Like you just kind of brush it and it goes away. And I kind of start at the, like, not the middle of the brow, not the arch, like a little bit above it, but not necessarily at the front either. And I brush them straight up. Literally straight up too. And I'll do like a zoom in with how I brush them straight up. Because they're going to look a little crazy at first. So here you can see how I brushed them straight up and how I'm super patchy in those like spots that I'm trying to grow out. I don't keep them like this. I just wanted to see how you need to brush them before we go to the next step, okay? And this next step is going to be taking my brush and going from the arch down and kind of brushing them down a little bit, but still leaving them thick so we have the thickness. And I'll come and show you, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the brush again and I'm gonna brush it off like so. And I'm going to go from like a little bit, not exactly at the arch, a little closer to like the end of my brow over here. And kind of just slowly kind of pat them down a little bit, but not crazy. Like we want them to kind of go on a diagonal, but you have to brush them all the way up first so you know what you're working with. And I'll come close so you can see the difference. So you can see the difference from this eyebrow to this one. Like this one I kind of just shooped a little bit at the end there, the tail end, but the front's still up. And then this one I didn't do it yet, so I'm gonna do it. So this is what they look like now that both of them are done. And now what I do is I go right here to the end of each brow, like here and here, and I actually push them towards, like almost like you're trying to create a unibrow, but we're not creating one of those. So instead of now we have them all brushed up, we're gonna actually brush them in, just this little part right here. And I'll show you what I mean. Oops. And that's what I mean, like if you oopsie, you just take your finger and it's so easy to just get rid of the excess. And I'm gonna come close for you guys. Just like that. So you can see how I kind of pulled that in, and it kind of like pulls your like eyes a little closer together. And I don't know, it just makes your brows look so much fuller in my opinion. That's how I do my eyebrows now, and I absolutely love it. This is really a game changer, and I know I didn't like fill them in perfectly with this because I'm literally out of it. Like there's no more left of this brow pencil here. But this Glossier Boy Brow is a game changer, and it like literally lasts all day. And I always like, in my mind, I like to brush them up a little bit extra. So as the day goes on, they fall a little bit. So that's just my like advice to you. But if you're like a little unsure of whether you like it on your face or not, you could just start out, you know, because this really holds, like as you saw from before. It was pretty much like a wear test. But I really do like this product, and it's funny because it was actually supposed to be my mom's. My sister bought it for my mom, and she was like, oh, you should do a review on it. And I was like, oh, but my eyebrows are looking so crazy right now and stuff. I now stole it from her. I have to buy her one. But it is really, really incredible and amazing. So yeah, guys, on that note, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can see my new video every single week. And I'm actually thinking about starting some vlogs and kind of just like going through my life and showing you guys my day-to-day through my music and my singing and the songwriting process. I've got a lot of you guys kind of asking me for that, so I figured, hey, why not? Comment below if that's something you guys would want to see. So I'm excited about that. And if you don't already, please go to my Instagram and follow me over there. We have a community of over 80,000 people there, and we have so much fun over there. And my new song, We Could Be Together, came out, and I'm gonna put the link down below. You can stream it on Spotify, Apple Music, wherever you stream it. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I love Glossier Boy Brow, and I will see you in my next video.